Hello, this is Cambridge International AS and A-Level Examination, May June 2024, Pure Mathematics 3, Paper 3. So in this question here, in this paper, we are going to be looking at question 3. We've done question 1 and 2 in other videos. Please check the other videos for paper question 1 and question 2. So here is question 3 of the examination. So in this question here, we are given the graph of y against ln x. Given this equation, this exponential equation, we are given a raised power y is equals to bx. So here, the first thing that comes to our mind is that we need to express this equation in linear form, and in order to do that, we find the natural logarithm of both sides, and that will be ln a raised power y is equals to ln bx. So now what we need to do is we apply the laws of logarithm. This is a power law, so this can be written as y ln a is equals to ln is going to be b is going to be ln b. When you multiply the numbers, you can simply just add the powers according to one of the laws. This will be ln b plus ln x. So now this has been expressed. I want to express this to be in linear form. So I want our y to stand alone. So divide all through by ln a, and that will give us y is equals to ln b all over ln a plus ln x all over ln a. So this is looking something close to this form of a linear equation, which is y is equals to mx plus c. So remember, our x in this form is acting as ln x, so we simply separate ln x from 1 over a. So that means this can be written as y is equals to 1 all over ln a into bracket ln x, then plus our ln b all over ln a. So what we need to do here, being that our formula, we can just take this point as our ln x1, then ln x1, comma y1, then this will be our ln x2, comma y2. So we take them as 2 points on the graph that we are going to use the formula for slope. So our slope is simply equals to 1 over that is equals to 1 over ln a. So we can simply just use these 2 points here, and that will give us 1.5 minus 1 divided by 1.31 minus 0.336. So by solving this now, our 1 all over, rather we can just invert this, turn it upside down. So our ln a, remember I want to find what the value of a is, simply going to be 0.974 divided by 0.5. So finally now find the exponential of both sides. So our a is going to be the exponential of 0.974 divided by 0.5. So our a will simply be 7. So approximately equals 7. So we found a, which is the first part of this question. So now let's look at what is going to be the value of b. So now to find the value of b, we simply consider one of the points, and we express everything into this equation. So remember, since we know what a is, then we can also find ln a. So we just put everything into this. We put everything into this equation. So we know using just one of the points. So the point we are going to consider is, let's use the second point. Let's use point 2. So for 1.31, 1.31 1.5. So we want to express everything into this equation. Y is equal to 1 all over ln A into bracket ln X plus ln B over ln A. So let's put everything into that. Using this point. So our Y here is going to be 1.5 is equals to, so here we have 1 over ln A. So we are flipping 1 over, so we already have ln A here. We have ln A expressed as this. So 1 over ln A will simply be 0.5. So 0.5 all over 0.974. So our ln X is also known as 1.31 plus, so our ln B in this case we don't know it, so we'll give it out using 1 ln B. So the entire 1 over ln A is known as 0.5. Remember, we know it, 1 over ln A here, we know it. So that is 1 over ln A, that is 0.5. So by flipping this upside down, 0.5 divided by, so basically what we are doing from this stage is just solving your ability to input accurate values in your calculator and do input computation with your calculator. So after doing that, this will give us ln 1.5. We bring this to the other side. Sorry, we bring this to the other side. That will be minus. So I will refuse to press my calculator yet, so that we don't do a premature approximation. So that it doesn't affect our final answer. So we want our final answer to be as accurate as possible. So I will not get anything yet in my calculator. So this is equals to ln B into bracket 0.5 all over 0.974. Close the bracket. So here, to get our ln B, simply divide all through by this. So and this is going to be 1.5 minus 0.5 divided by 0.974 divided by 1.31, everything divided by 0.974. So the reason why I'm not pressing my calculator here from this stage is simply because we already know that this will not give us a whole number. Most of these values, they are not integers, so it will give us approximate values. So to minimize error or to increase our accuracy, we leave inputting our answers until the final answer. So what we simply need to do at this stage is to find B, to find the exponential of all of this, that is, find the e raised power all of this. So, and after you've done that, you are going to see, you are going to have your answer to be B is equals to 5.01 approximately. But seeing that we are asked to give our answer to the nearest integer, so our B will be approximately, it's an approximate value now. So our B will be approximately equals to 5. So that is the answer. 5 is our answer today. So now watch out for another video in order to see question 4. Thank you.